Storopack, your specialist for protective packaging with ergonomic, efficient, and effective integrations in the 4 dimensions of packaging. Into the box, around the box, out of the box, and in the box. Fast, ergonomic, adaptable, user-friendly, and mobile. Equipped with the latest technology, PAPERplus Chevron 2 offers everything you need for efficient paper padding for cartons. The machine is ready to start in just a few steps. Connect the power plug to the power supply. The illuminated on-off switch indicates machine is being supplied with power. To turn the machine off, press the toggle switch at the back. Now open the rear cover. The safety mode is activated by the safety switch. Insert the paper roll in a few easy steps into the take-up. Right up to where the red drive wheels stop on the mandrel. This ensures optimal paper transport. Sensors prevent paper jams. Close the rear cover. Cancel the safety mode using the safety switch. The start screen will then appear on the display. Before starting, check that the emergency stop is disabled. Now press the green reset switch to turn the machine on. The default menu will appear and a first paper pad is created. The Chevron 2 is now ready for use. With its user-friendly keypad and self-explanatory operation program, PAPERplus Chevron 2 meets all the requirements for a modern protective packaging system. The length of the paper padding can be set to suit your needs. Programming for this is very easy. When working in standard mode, select the specific paper padding length and quantity. If desired, you can save this setting by pressing the keys minus and plus simultaneously. Each time you remove a paper pad at the machine output, the machine will produce a new one. For large quantities of paper, you can produce between 1 and 999 paper pads, flexibly and extremely efficiently at predefined lengths. When the last paper pad is removed from the machine output, a new production cycle automatically starts using the predefined parameters. With its patented pleating technology, PAPERplus Chevron 2 combines paper and air to create a very light and flexible tube, which fills the voids in your packages using a minimum amount of paper. For products of different weights, we supply the appropriate paper types. Whether for block and bracing or filling, the cushioning effect of the pleated tube provides perfect flexible padding. The different versions of the Chevron 2 provide an intelligent solution for every situation. By connecting the optional foot pedal or by activating the M key on the display, unlimited padding can be produced in any length. Exceptional mobility thanks to the roller stand. Individual height adjustability. Or use of the table model make it possible to use the Chevron 2 at individual packing stations, adapted to the respective work environment. The production speed and paper pleating width can be set individually after consultation with your technician.